So good afternoon all the students and welcome to the virtual class. Today we will see a new topic in grammar and that is the change the degree. Okay. Now what is the change the degree? Degree, that is the degree of comparison. When we are comparing the two things to people or to group, that is called the change of degree of comparison. Okay. Now here what we have actually comparison, which things we are comparing here. Here we are comparing degree of comparison about the adjective. Everyone's know about the adjective. Adjective, that means if you start describing something, noun, especially noun, pronoun, if you describing that, words is used and comes under the adjective. Okay, and when you start compare the adjective, that time you are doing a degree of comparison. Okay, there are so many different types of adjective and the different ways to comparing that adjective. So what is the degree of comparison? That means you are doing the comparison. But what we have to compare here, we have to compare the adjective. What we have to compare? We have to compare the adjective. Now, the topic is what? Change the degree. Now, in this lesson, what we have to see? We have to see how to change the degree. Okay, that means how to change or transfer the degree. That means comparison. Before that, let me see how many different forms are there. How many different forms are there? Okay, adjective forms. Oh, most adjective have three different forms. Most adjective have three different forms to share degree of comparison or to show the degree of comparison. First is positive, comparative, and the superlative. Positive to shows the adjective. Comparative, you can say it is better than positive, or superlative, you can say it's best as compared to comparative. Okay, and these three different adjective forms is used to describe two items, peoples, or two peoples, or two group. That means basically you are comparing the adjective or describing words. Okay, so here we have the positive, comparative, superlative, and the examples are also that which adjectives comes under the which adjective forms. Now this is positive. You can see here tall. Okay, but if you compare and the tall word comes under the comparative, it become taller. What? It become taller. And if you compare with the superlative, it become highest. What? Tallest. Okay, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay, come to the next. Clean is just a clean. Now suppose if you saw a one classroom, first A, it's a very clean class, just a clean. But you go in another class, that is a second A. It's comparatively, it's more clean. So you can say second A is a cleaner class as compared to first A. But if you go in a third A, you can see that was a more cleaner, most clean. So you can say that is the cleanest class. Third A is the cleanest class as compared to first A and second A. Okay, so superlative, that means the highest. Comparative, that means it's low as compared to superlative, and positive, that means is low as compared to comparative. Okay, now come to the next word. Now it's not possible each and every word you can find er or est. As you can see in a comparative, that is a er, taller er, cleaner er, and come to the superlative, you can see tallest. T-A-L-L-E-S-T. Cleanest, E-S-T. But each and every word, it's not compulsory to mention ER or EST. As you can see, the beautiful. Okay, now the word beautiful, when it comes under the comparative, it becomes more beautiful. Okay, because you cannot be add here ER. That is a meaningless word. That is a wrong word. Because in a dictionary, that kind of words you cannot find. So what is correct comparative of beautiful? That is a more beautiful. And when the more beautiful comes under the superlative, now what it become? Most beautiful. What it become? Most beautiful. You cannot add here est because that is a wrong word and meaningless word. So there are such kinds of words where you cannot use er or est. As you can see the last, example, good, better, best. Positive, for example, that child is very good. But if you comparing that child to the other, you found that child is better. And when you comparing that better child with other, then you can found that child is the best. So here, what we are doing here, we are comparing the adjectives. So good, better, best. Good, that means comes under the positive. Comparative, good is a better. It will come better. That means it's better than good. Superlatives come best. That means is best as compared to both. Positive also and comparative also. Okay. So first, while you're doing the change of the degree, first you have to be find out that which adjective exactly comes, which adjective form. Tall comes to the positive, taller comes to the comparative, and tallest come to the superlative. Okay. So there are the different kinds of words and different types of examples which is related with this three forms. Which are the three forms? Positive, comparative, and superlative. Again, I'm repeating, students, if you want to change the degree, first you have to be know how should we find out positive, comparative, and superlative. For example, if I'm saying a brave, brave, this word comes under the which adjective form? Positive, comparative, superlative? Yes, this will come in a positive. But if I add er, so what will be the word? Braver. The braver should come in which form? Comparative form. Okay. But if I add est, bravest, again I repeat bravest. So I'll add here est. So that word comes under the superlative. Okay. Now I'll use one more word. Famous is just a famous. So famous, this word comes under the positive. Famous, this word comes under the positive. If I recognize more famous person, so more famous, this should comes comparative. And if I recognize most famous, most, this will comes under the superlative. So first you have to recognize, and then after you have to be find out that which words comes under to the which adjective form. Okay. Now come to the C, positive degree sentences. There are some positive degree sentences. How you can be find that this sentence is comes under the positive degree. As you can see the first sentence, Rohit is as brave as Mohit. Rohit is as brave as Mohit. If you find in a sentence, as brave as. Now you can see here, student, brave, this word is our adjective. Brave, this word is our adjective. And before adjective and after adjective, if you found as, so that means this sentence is comes under the positive degree. Okay, this is the format of writing the positive degree. This is the sentence, and perhaps you can find out the with the help of the adjective, because here what is written over there, brave. Okay, suppose here it is written over there, braver. Braver, V-E-R, B-R-A-V-E-R, braver. So that means that words comes under the comparative. Okay, not only the adjective words comes under the comparative, but the sentence formation is also different, students, over here, because that sentences comes under the comparative. The comparative sentence example also I will show you afterwards. Now let us see the more example about the positive degree. Now you can see the second sentence, students. African team is not so good as Indian team. Now in the second sentence you will say that teacher, good, it is our adjective, right? And before adjective there is no as, because sometimes in a positive degree some sentences before adjective they are using so also, or you can say is also. Okay, they are using is, as, or so. Mostly they are using as and so. So don't be confused if you found before adjective. I repeat again, before adjective, if there is a mention as or so, so that is the correct sentence formation about the adjective. Okay, all right. In an adjective, before and after, you can find out as, and so as. That is our adjective. See here, as dash, that means adjective as. That sentence formation comes under the positive degree. Or you can say so, or you can say so, adjective as. This sentence formation is also comes under the positive degree. Okay, remember this thing. Change the degree. When you change the degree, when you change the sentence, the degree of comparison, when you find out the sentence is comes under the which degree of comparison, then you are allowed to change the sentence. Okay, so see the sentence, students, properly, that you should be aware about it, and you should get the idea that how the sentence should form for which degree of comparison. Now see the third sentence, English is not as difficult as French. Okay, now here difficult, its words comes under the adjective, and you can observe that before and after there is a, before and after you can observe there is a as is there. That means this words comes under the positive degree. Same thing you can observe in the next sentence, that Russia is not so small as England. Okay, so adjective as, this sentence is also comes under the positive degree. Google is as useful as YouTube, as useful as. So adjective before and after comes the as. So this sentence is also comes under the positive degree. Okay, so these are the formation of sentence of positive degree. So you have to be identified the positive of the degree. Okay, the which sentence we have to be say a positive degree of comparison. Come to the next. Now this is are the example of the comparative degree. Okay, you can easily find out because here the word is given a braver. Braver, that means ER, that means is comparative degree. But you can see the sentence formation also, student. Now in the sentence formation, you can see mostly after the adjective then is written over them. This is the main thing about the comparative degree. Then If you find out the then in the word, so that means that is the sentence formation of the comparative degree. Most of the time you can find out then. What I said, in a positive degree, in a positive degree, there is a as, adjective as, or so, adjective as. Now in a comparative degree, you can say adjective then. See the second sentence also, student. Railway station is nearer than airport. Okay, nearer is your adjective. Again, after adjective, you can find a then. Okay, John is not taller. Taller, Taller. That means it shows your adjective. It shows your which degree, comparative degree. Okay, and then after you can find then. Okay, Google is more important. This is your comparative degree. I told you, students, there are such kinds of word where we cannot use er. There we have to use more. More, this word is useful for the comparative degree, more. So here it is written is the more important than Facebook. So this is your adjective, and then again afterwards is come, after adjective then is come. Offline learning is more difficult. This is your more difficult. This is your adjective, and then after you can find then. After the adjective you find then. So this is a sentence formation of comparative degree. This is a sentence formation of comparative degree. Now comes to the superlative degree. Now what is this a superlative degree? Superlative degree, that means here you can find a superlative words are there. As I told you before, a most or the EST, greatest thing, is mentioned over there. India is the greatest country in the world. Now here the greatest, it is your superlative adjective. Okay. Now here the sentence formation, before you can find the, this word, the greatest country in the world. This is the sentence formation of the superlative degree. Okay. There are the three ways sentence formation of superlative degree. If you're telling about the best thing, about the noun or pronoun or the things, if you're saying the best thing, okay, so before that it should come the. And in the second line you can see my school is one of the best school in the city. Now here you can see best school, best. Best is comes under the superlative degree. Before that you can see one of them. This also the formation sentence of the superlative degree, where you can find one of the best school. This is also when you see the sentence, the greatest, one of the best school, this types of words or this types of sentences is comes under the superlative comparison. Okay, now see the third sentence. Cricket is one of the most famous sports. Now the most is comes under the superlative degree. Now instead of the most, if I written over there more famous, so the more famous is comes under the comparative. It comes under the comparative. And before that you can find out one of the, as I told you student, one of the, it is a superlative sentence formation. Superlative sentence formation. He is the tallest. He is the tallest boy in the school. He's the tallest boy in the school. Now, the, as I told you, if you're saying about the best thing of the particular noun or pronoun, here he's saying the best thing. What is the best thing of that boy? Tallest. And before that, he used the. So this is also comes under the superlative degree. Now, internet is the biggest invention of the century. Now, here Here also in the sentence you can see students, they are saying the best thing. What is the best thing? The biggest thing. The biggest thing. Okay. The biggest thing. So the biggest, it is also an adjective. And before that you can see the. You can see the. So this also comes under the comparative degree. Okay. Comes to the next now. Now let me see how to be changed. Okay. Now here we have to change the sentence formation. If the superlative sentence, then that sentence you have to be changed to positive and comparative. Positive and comparative degree. So there are some basic rules are there. You must be have follow very easy basic rule. If you follow that rule, so you can easily transform the sentence from superlative to positive as well as comparative. Okay, but before that you have to be observe and identify that that sentence should comes under which degree of comparison. Okay, you have to identify here, because when you solve when you solve the question paper, in that sentence it is not written over there that this is the positive degree sentence, or this is the comparative degree sentence, or this is the superlative degree sentence, and that particular sentence you have to transform to the another degree of comparison. It's not written over there. So students, your presence of mind, first you have to read the question and you have to identify that this sentence comes under the which degree, whether positive, whether superlative, whether comparative. And then after that sentence, you have to change according to the, as per the question criteria. Okay. Now let us see the what is the basic rule. Now here is the superlative degree. Now, as I told you student about the best thing, particular noun or pronoun is saying, before that they have to use the. For example, sentence is written, Mohit is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, tallest, and the, it shows that this is the superlative degree. Okay, so when you find in the sentence the tallest, the most famous, the bravest, the, if you find, so there is a rule, because this superlative degree you have to change now positive as well as the comparative. So there are the rules. If you change positive degree, if you change the positive degree, what is the basic thing in the sentence of positive degree? What will come the basic thing which I told you before? That is as, adjective as, so, adjective as. This will come. This is the basic thing. And in the comparative, what will be the basic thing? In the comparative, what will be the basic thing? That is adjective, then adjective, and then after then will come. This is the basic thing. Okay, the basic thing which you can observe in the positive degree and in the comparative degree. But here some changes. Why the changes take place? Because we transform from superlative to positive, from superlative to comparative. So there are some basic things. If you find the sentence, the tallest, the bravest, and if you want to be changed from positive degree, so first you have to add no other. What you have to add? No other. In a positive degree. Let me talk only just about the positive degree. Okay. Now, what is our sentence of superlative degree? Our sentence is Mohit is the tallest boy in the class. Okay. So, this is a superlative degree and we have to change to the positive degree. And what was the rule? First is the basic rule that as dash as will become, as dash as will become, as adjective as, so adjective, and as will become. This is the basic rule. But what we have to add here new, that no other, that no other we have to add, no other we have to add. Why we add the no other? Because we are transformed from superlative to positive, so that's why we have to add here no other. Okay, if you add no other, so what will the sentence is like? Sentence is like, no other boy in the class is as tall as Mohit. See here, this is the first, this is the first positive degree. We change from superlative to positive. This is our positive degree. What I told you that you have to add no other. So what will be the sentence? No other boy in the class is as tall as Mohit. Now, in a superlative, you observe that is the tallest is written over there. But now we have to change to the superlative. So the adjective word form is also changed. It will tallest to come tall, because this is a positive degree. We are changed into positive degree. So the adjective word is also changed. Superlative is the tallest. Now positive, it should come tall, just a tall, because this is a positive degree. And the basic rules are same, as you can see, as tall as Mohit. But what we add? No other. What we add? No other. But because here we change the sentence form from superlative to positive. So what would our sentence? No other boy in the class is as tall as Mohit. Okay, this is about the positive degree. Now let us see the rules of the comparative degree. If you want to be changed from superlative to comparative, so what would be the rules? The basic rules everyone know, in that we should add basic rule, then must be come there. Okay, then after the adjective, then should be there. That is the basic thing you observe in the comparative degree sentence. But here is what we add, than any other. What we add, than any other. Why we add this than any other? Because this sentence is, we have to transfer from superlative to comparative. Okay, and what was the sentence? That Mohit is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, now we have to convert into comparative. And when we convert into comparative, so the adjective word, it should be a change. So tallest, it would become what now? Yes, right, it would become taller, because we are changed into comparative. See, this is the example of the comparative. What it should be? Mohit is taller than any other boy in the class. I told you na, than any other should be come there. That is the rule when you change from superlative to comparative. Mohit is taller than any other boy in the class. Okay, so first example is a positive and second is a comparative. No other and then any other. No other and any other, it should become when you saw the sentence. Which sentence? That is the tallest. When the sentence is telling about the best thing, at that time you have to follow this rules. Okay, you have to follow this rule. Students, you have to be, if you want to be change the degree, you have to be keep in your mind some kinds of rules. Then only you can change the degree of the comparison in a proper manner. Otherwise, it will not be possible. Okay, now first example is over. Again, I will show you the second example that your idea, your concept should be clear, more easier way. That this India is the greatest country in the world. This is our sentence. Okay, so first we have to find out that this sentence comes under the which degree. So how you should be find out? First you have to see the adjective. Adjective come is greatest. Greatest came, so that means naturally it comes under the superlative. Superlative degree because it comes here greatest. Okay, after the adjective did you find then? No. Did you find then? No, because in a superlative then should not come, so it will cut. Can you find as? Greatest as? No, because this sentence formation is the positive degree, so you cannot find this. So now here student, you just find before adjective the. So that means this sentence comes under the superlative. Superlative sentence. Okay, this sentence comes under the superlative sentence. Students, there are the three form of superlative sentence. And I'm still now telling you about only just a one form of sentence. And the one form is what? That before adjective you can find the. Okay. Now, this superlative you have to transfer positive as well as the comparative. Positive as well as the comparative. Now, for the positive, what is the rule? What we have to add? As dash as, so dash as. This is the basic thing. But what we have to add new, that is the no other. What we have to add new, that is no other. And in the comparative, what we have to add, that is the any other. That is the any other. Okay, this is our basic rule. You have to keep in your mind. So when you do this, if you add no other in a positive, so what will be the sentence? The sentence should be no other country in the world is as great as India. Now you can see students over here that as great as India, this is the positive, this is the comparative. As I told you students, the basic should be come over here because this sign show this is the positive comparative. And you can see the greatest, it's convert into the great. Why? Because this is a positive this is a positive degree. And what we have to add new one, that is a no other. No other country in the world is as great as India. So this is shows the positive degree. Come to the next. Next is comparative degree. India is greater than. Greater. Greater, this word shows what? Comparative degree. Greater than any other. Greater than any other country in the world. What I told you students, what we add over there, any other. Because when you change the sentence from superlative to comparative, there you have to add any other. And when you change from superlative to positive degree, there you have to add no other. And the basic things should be remain same. What will the basic thing of the positive? As dash as. What is the basic thing of the positive? That is the as dash as. What is the basic thing of the comparative? Dash then. This is the basic thing of the comparative sentence. But when you transform, what we have to add? No other and any other. Understood? This is a second example I show you. The first form of superlative degree. The first form of superlative degree. Now see the second form of superlative degree. Second form of superlative degree. What is the second form? Now here we have to change superlative to positive and comparative. Again the superlative we have to change positive this comparative. in a sentence if you found having one of the, having one of them. Now in a superlative sentence, if you found one of them in a sentence, so what will be the rule? As I told you students, there are the three forms of superlative degree. First we already see. If first what we see, the superlative sentence, if the is mentioned, the greatest, the tallest, the most famous, the most beautiful, the word will come before adjective. That form we are seeing, that how should be converted in positive comparative. Now we have to see the second form of sentence of superlative. And in the superlative, if mention over there one of them in the sentence, so how it should be converted. And for the second form, there is a second another rule also. The basic rule is remain same, positive and comparative. And what was the basic rule of positive? That is as dash as, so dash as. This is the basic rule. And what is the basic rule of the comparative? Dash than, that means adjective than, than, than should become. Now for changing from superlative to positive and comparative, what was the rule? Now see here, now here the rule is changed. Why the rule is changed? Because the sentence of superlative is changed. Because in the sentence we found one of them. So here the rules is also changed. What will the rule of the positive? First we see the positive. Positive, here we add very few. What we add? Very few. Okay. And just focus only just in a second form. Very few. And what very few, and the remain thing is basics are remain same. Okay, very few. This rule is utilized for which sentence? If you found in a sentence one of them, if you found in a sentence, which sentence? In a superlative degree sentence, one of the is there, so that sentence when you transfer to positive degree, there you have to add very few and as dash as and the basic rule. That's it. Very few and the basic rules. All right. Now let's see how it will be the sentence. Let me see the sentence. In a superlative, if you talk, if you see in a sentence, one of them. And what will be the sentence? Kalidas was one of the greatest poet. So here we found one of the greatest poet. Greatest, adjective. Greatest is a superlative degree. It shows the superlative degree. Now this we have to found that now this we have to transfer from positive degree. In which we have to transform? We have to transform in the positive degree. When we transform in the positive degree, let me see how the sentence should be formed in a positive degree. See, in a positive degree, what we have to add? Very few. So here we have the sentences, very few poets were as great as Kalidas. So you can see the changes are over here. What will the changes? We have to add very few. Poet as great as Kalidas. Basic rule of the positive degree, as great as. Greatest comes under the great because this is a positive degree, not a superlative degree. And what we have to add? Very few. Okay, very few poets were as great as Kalidas. This is the positive this is the positive degree. When you change from superlative degree to positive degree. So this is the one example of positive degree. Okay, and if in the sentence very few is there, so what will be now? The comparative. Positive degree is over. Now see the comparative. Now this is the rule of comparative. Base, what we have to add over here? We have to add here most other, than most other. Basic rules are same. Than should become after the adjective. Than should become. Basic rules are remain same because that is the real basic root of the comparative degree, and the positive degree shows the basic rule, and that is important that you have to keep it. If you change the basic rule, that means your sentence formation is wrong. But for the transformation, you have to add some word, and here what we have to add, most other. What we have to add, have to add, most other. This we have to add for comparative degree. Now let me see, while using these rules, how the sentence should take place. Here the sentence is, Kalidas was greater than most other poets. Kalidas was greater than most other poets. So here you can find greater, greater, because it is a comparative degree, and than most other, as I told you. Than is obviously come because this is a basic rule. What is the new here? Most other poets. As I told students, this will comes most other. This is the again a new rule. Okay, new rule. Again, we will see this new rule. See here. In a positive degree, basic rules remain same. I will not see. I am repeating again and again about the basic rules because this is the basic rule of the sentences. If you doesn't add the basic rule in the sentences, so you cannot be correctly write the degrees sentence properly. What is the basic rule of the positive degree? This, as dash as, that means as, adjective as, so adjective as. This is the basic rule. And what was the basic rule of comparative? Adjective than. It must become in positive and in comparative. Okay, but when you transform from superlative to positive, from superlative to comparative, according to the sentence, you have to add some words. Add some words. So in a positive, what we add? Very few. And in a comparative, what we add? Most other. Very few, most other. But for which sentence we have to add? The sentence where it is mentioned one of the sentence where we have to add one of the. Okay, for that sentence you have to use these rules. If they are saying to change from superlative to positive, then you have to use very few. If they are saying this sentence you have to change from superlative to comparative, then you have to use this rule. Okay, when you have to use this rule, when you find in the sentence, one of the, when you find in the sentence one of the, that time you have to use this rule. Okay, but if you, that time you have to use this sentence. But if you find the first formation only just the best thing, the tallest, the greatest, what is the rule? Basic rules are same, which I told again and again. Basic rules are remain same, but here what you will add in positive? No other. What you will add in comparative? Any other. This is the rule. That means you add some words. For the different superlative degree formation, you have to add some word. This is the first form. We see the superlative degree. What is the first form? What is in the sentence? The greatest, the tallest, the most beautiful. The will come. So that means you have to use this rule. Okay. And if you find in the sentences one of the, if you find in the sentences one of the, so what you have to add? In a positive you have to add very few, and in a comparative what you have to add? Most other. What you have to add? most, other. Okay, so when you compare this, most other, what will get? Very few poets were as great as Kalidas. This is a positive degree. Kalidas was greater than most other poets. This comes under the comparative degree. Okay, dear students. So till here I'll show you the two forms of superlative degree, which is how should be transformed from superlative to positive, from superlative to comparative. There you have to use some kinds of new words, but the basic thing of the positive and comparative remains same. Here we are see the two forms. First, you find the with adjective, that is the first form of superlative. When you transform there, what you have to add in super positive and comparative. Second sentence we see in the superlative. What was the second sentence? Second sentence is that having one of the. This is the second sentence. So here we have completed our two sentence form. Now the next all we will see in a next lecture. Thank you, student. I hope you understand this grammar topic.